If you are looking for great bulk notebooks that you can actually customize yourself or have your students customize themselves, you definitely want to check out these notebooks, this set of 100. Now this is the set with the classic colors. These were gifted to me, but you can see just all the different color varieties. There's no repeating colors, so they're all different, and they're about 10 in each pack. Now, even on the cover, when I was doing this, the reason why I really like the craft paper and the classic set is because of the craft. It just makes colored pencil really, really pop. So if you have students in particular, this is going to be something that they're going to love because they can really customize it and personalize it for themselves. Inside, it does have a memo number here. I know that's kind of a bit outdated, but you're able to put the date, write whatever you want, and there's no bleed through. And you can even see on the front cover, there's no bleed through even from the permanent marker lines that I have on the front. Now these would also be fantastic if you have like a ministry, maybe through your church, or something where you want to put a label on the front, maybe you have a conference or something like that. These would be really, really great for those purposes as well, where you can personalize and customize it based on the event that you are holding. Each one of these is about 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches, so it's just the perfect size to fit in like a school bag or your laptop bag, whatever you might have, even in a purse if you have a larger purse size. And these are the A5 size diary journals. And some kids might want to just use these as like doodle books. I really like it for notes, or if I keep lists, I'm constantly using notebooks. If you're homeschooling, this would be really good, especially if you have a co-op or something. There's just so many uses where you're going to need notebooks like this. Now, there are 36 pages in each set of the books, so it's actually 72 pages if you count back and front. So it's a really nice size. So if you're looking for a great bulk set that you can personalize yourself, you definitely want to check these out. They are amazing.